Hello, everybody. Today we have with us Dr. Neha Singh, Assistant Professor of Department of Marketing at Shanti Business School. Welcome to the College Dunia portal.
Thank you, sir.
Moving on with the interview, my first question to you is, how does the curriculum of Shanti Business School ensure the best practice of the industry?
Okay, so at Shanti Business School, we have designed our curriculum in close touch with the best faculties and some of the premier business experts into the industry. So we have varied courses ranging from specializations into marketing, finance, HRM, decision sciences, and international business. With courses like design thinking and a focus on information gathering and talking about more data and information. Apart from that, we also have added in our curriculum, which is a summer internship program. So this year, because of the COVID-19 pandemic, the students couldn't move out of their houses to do their SIP. So we had developed a phased SIP wherein they were enrolled at various companies as interns. And apart from that, various online courses, with the help of various online courses, they were given touch of the courses like design thinking, digital marketing, etc. Also, we have a grant project which the students do at the end of 2 years, which asks them to do a rigorous research in their areas of expertise. Also, we have things like leadership series, which calls some prominent business experts to talk to the students every weekend. Also, apart from that, there are various activities, clubs, and forums which ensure that the students go through a 360 development across their own curriculum and across the areas which are of societal importance and business importance.
Very well said, ma'am. Coming to the next question, what do you think your roles and responsibilities to the university as well as the students are?
Okay, so our responsibility as a faculty towards Shanti Business School, Ahmedabad, is not only focused to classroom teaching, but apart from that, developing the curriculum, updating the curriculum on the basis of the recent happenings in the world and the business era. Apart from that, we have other responsibilities related to placement cell activities, helping the students get trained towards the business requirements. Also, apart from that, talking about the recent mentoring sessions which we have focused upon are on not only on the academic mentoring side, but also one-to-one mentoring, because students are facing a lot of stress because of the online sessions going on. So that is one of the most important things we are being involved into, to just handle the stress that the students have from online teaching and online curriculums. And apart from that, other academic activities, administration activities as well.
On that note, my next question is, what do you think, in your opinion, should be the institute's priority over the next 10 years?
Okay, so Institute's priority in the next 10 years should be to have close collaboration with some of the foreign universities, to have a faculty exchange program as well as a student exchange program, so that we can have more richness in the classes and the students can have more rich peer-to-peer learning experience. Secondly, talking about the faculty collaboration from some research on some research fronts, so that faculties of SBS can collaborate with the faculties from some premier institutes of the world to develop more on research. Secondly, I think we are thinking towards building an incubation center which will help the students and which will help the budding entrepreneurs of the batches, of the coming batches, to get supported from that incubation center with the help of faculties and business experts. Yeah.
Coming to the last part of the interview, any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
So, talking about the unprecedented times that we all are seeing, one thing that I would like to focus is on information gathering. So, all the students need to understand the data and information, which has actually become the need of the hour. Secondly, they need to be very agile and be adaptive to all the changes that are happening into the industry and into the society. And last but not the least, take up all the challenges which are coming up in their front very positively, because every challenge teaches us something very new. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your motivational answer, ma'am. On that note, I'd like to conclude the interview. That was Dr. Neha Singh, Assistant Professor of Marketing at Shanti Business School. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.